Hi, this is Kate,
And this is Olivia.
and we're going to talk about water percolation through soil layers.
We're going to talk about and find out how long it takes water to go through different types of sediment.
In order to understand water percolation and soil permeability, we have to understand the hydrologic cycle, which starts with water coming down from the sky as rain, and when it reaches the earth, it flows through the ground into rivers, lakes, and oceans, or it can go into deep groundwater storage.
Fresh water on Earth is stored in glaciers, lakes, clouds, and in groundwater. Today we're going to focus mostly on groundwater. There's different types of soil and sediments that filter the water at different speeds. We picked clay, sand, and soil as our sediments today.
Groundwater percolation is affected by permeability and porosity. Porosity is a measurement of the gaps between different particles, and different types of sediments have different porosity, which then affects their permeability. This is our video of us pouring water into clay, and as you can see, it absorbed the water really fast, and so we had to add more water in order for it to actually come out the bottom. This is the point where it starts to come out.
Here is our sand trial. You can see we added a lot more water and the sand has the water go through very quickly. It starts dripping almost immediately.
This is our soil trial, and you can see that we put quite a bit of water in there and actually spilled a little bit, but the water sits at the top of the soil for a little bit and then starts to percolate through.
What we found in our experiment is that the order of sediment was most permeable for sand, second was soil, and lastly the clay took the longest for the water to flow through.
Our sources of error are that we didn't pack the soil trial down very much, which affected its permeability. And then the soil is also potting soil, which is not accurate to real life conditions. The materials we had available to us were also not what would be found in the outdoors. And the clay that we used is also partially broken up and made for potting plants, which is not accurate to real life conditions.
So this is going to be the end of our experiment. Thank you so much for learning about soil permeability with us, and I hope everyone has a great rest of their day.